Hello, my name is Victoria and we have a test today. Please introduce yourself. What's your name? How old are you? How are you today? Hello, Bartram.
Hello,
My name is.
my name is Rajam. I'm 8 years old. Today I'm happy.
Yes, very good. Now, let's start with the farm animals. Okay, what animals do you see? What are these? These are cows.
These are cows.
Very good. What else? These are
These
horse.
are cows.
Yes, and these are horses.
These are horses.
Very good. How many how many sheep can you see?
I can see 6 sheep.
Very good. How many cows can you see? How many cows can you see?
I can see 4 cows.
Yes, very good. Okay, look at these horses. What color are they? What color are they? Are they brown and gray?
Are they brown and gray?
Yes, they are brown and gray.
They are brown and gray.
Yes, very good. Look at these ducks. What do ducks do? What do they do? Do they swim? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
How about you, Bartram? Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes or no? Okay, maybe yes, I can.
yes, I can.
Very good. Now, the next topic is seasons and weather. Can you name the 4 seasons of the year? Spring,
Spring,
sa.
summer, fall, winter.
Yes, very good. What season do you like?
I like spring.
Very good. What's the weather like in spring? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it warm in spring?
It's sunny.
Yes, okay, yes, it's sunny and warm. Good. Tell me, please, what do you wear when it's hot?
I wear t-shirt and shorts.
I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
I wear a t-shirt
And
and, and shirt.
shorts, very good. Now let's talk about senses. Can you name the 5 senses? Sound,
Sound,
taste, smell, and feel. Can you say, how does a clock sound? Does it sound quiet or loud? Quiet or loud? How does it sound?
Loud.
Yes. How about the biscuit? Does it taste delicious or bad? It tastes delicious.
It is delicious.
Okay, great. Look at these words and tell me please, what is this?
Thumb.
Yes, amazing. Look at this man. What is it?
Tin.
Yes, very good. Look at this book. What is it?
Tick.
Yes, great. And who is it?
Ding.
Yes, and this woman?
Sing.
Yes, okay. This is the end of the video test. You've done a very good job. Goodbye, see you later.